Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. I know, some of you might be thinking, why is she uploading this video again? But unfortunately, this was taken down because of music purposes, but here it is again for you. I made this Valentine's Day gift idea, which is perfect for teachers also, by the way. I made this using Dollar Tree items, so if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. I'm going to start off with 2 wooden crates from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and paint them with the white acrylic paint by Apple Barrel. And if you can't find wooden crates at your Dollar Tree, you could also find them at Michael's for only 99 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and paint those and set them aside to dry. Now that they're completely dry, I'm going to go in with a glue gun and glue them together. And now I'm going to go in with ribbon from Dollar Tree. This one I just have, it just has polka dots on it. And I'm going to start from the center, wrap it all the way around, and come back to the center again. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and support my channel and click that bell so when I upload my next video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Now I have these pink foam hearts from Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and just glue one in the center there. You can glue any heart that you have, if it's a foam heart or a glittered foam heart like mine, or you can go ahead and just place a rose in the center if you'd like, or even a letter, an initial. But yeah, so I'm just going to glue that there. And now I'm going to go in with this 3D wreath form. I'm going to take the bigger ring from it. You could also use a regular wreath form if you can't find this one, or you could also go in with a pool noodle and just connect it from the back of the crates there and fill it in maybe with foam roses, the mini foam roses that they have at Dollar Tree. I think that would look pretty cool as well. But as for me, I'm just going to use this wire right here, and I'm going to cut it right in the center there using my wire cutters, and I'm just going to glue it onto the back of the crates there using my glue gun. Now I'm just going to place some floral foams down in both crates because I'm going to have one of them with roses and the other one's going to have chocolate. Obviously that part is optional. If you're going to have a stuffed animal, then you might not need floral foam in both. Now it's time to add my roses. The way I like to do that is instead of just poking it into the floral foam right away, I like to make a little hole and then go ahead and add some hot glue and then place in the rose. That way it's more secure, I feel like, so that's how I do it. Now it's time to add some lights to this. I'm going to go in with string lights. I did find this in the garden section at Dollar Tree. It has leaves on it. That's why it looks a little different, but you can definitely go in with any string lights you have. I'm going to glue the battery pack to the back there. I do have the switch on the outer side, on the right side, you see there, because I feel like it's easier to turn on and off if you put the switch on the outer side. But be sure to have the battery pack on to the outside, so that way we could always change the battery if you'd like. And now I'm just going to wrap the first part around the battery pack because that part doesn't light up. So I'm going to wrap it around and then start wrapping the rest of the string light around the wreath form. Now, if your string light is the same length as mine, you're going to have some, like a long piece like this left over. It's not long enough to be wrapped in the front of the crates. That would look amazing if it's in the front, but as for me, I'm just going to glue it onto the back because like you see here, it doesn't go all the way around. So if yours does go around, you can go ahead and place it onto the front of the gift. I think that would look amazing. But I'm going to just glue the rest of mine onto the back. And if there's still some left over, I'm just going to go ahead and keep wrapping it again onto the wreath. And I feel like something is missing in that center of the wreath. It needs a little bit of decoration. So I'm going to go in with this foam love word. It comes in like little picks from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take the picks off of them, and I'm going to go in with a wooden skewer and put in some put in some glittered foam balls and put in the word love as well, and just put that in the middle of the wreath. But you can definitely add flowers to this wreath if you'd like. Add maybe a stuffed animal swinging from the wreath. Yeah, get creative with this. But as for me, I'm going to go in with these glittered foam balls and then the word love, and then I'll cut it down and glue it onto the middle of the wreath, the center of it. I'm going to add more of the glittered foam hearts to the roses. And now we're done. Here are a few options. On the other side, I added a teddy bear. There's also this puppy at Dollar Tree. Or you can never go wrong with chocolate. So you could always place chocolate there instead. Here's an example of how I did it. And I'll also attach the puppy to it. I feel like this would make a great gift for a teacher or coworker, or just even as a centerpiece. Let me know what you think. You know, I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Bye.